Hi, Edinburgh students. I'm Mr. Harvey. Our next part of our online PBIS video is going to be introducing our Edinburgh staff. Here they are.
Hi, we're the student support team. I'm Mr. C, the school psychologist.
I'm Mr. Drake, room 5.
I'm Mr. Bedford, the school social worker.
I'm Mr. Waldhauser, I'm in room 4.
I'm Miss Tanky, the school counselor.
We look forward to having a great year, everybody.
Hi Edinburgh, it's Miss Johnston, the school-based therapist from St. David Center. Welcome back.
Hi, I'm Mrs. Suter. Welcome back.
And I'm Mr. Harvey. We are the instructional assistants.
Hi students, this is the pre-K team and I'm Miss Jeanette.
And I'm Miss Mary.
I'm Miss Kathy.
I'm Miss Marla.
I'm Miss Joni.
I'm Miss Lisa. Welcome back.
Hi, we're the kindergarten team. I'm Mrs. McIntyre.
I'm Miss Coleman.
I'm Mrs. Schultz. I'm Mrs. Patterson.
I'm Miss Sabastina.
I'm Miss Hins.
Hi, this is the first grade team. My name is Mrs. Waldhauser.
Hi, my name is Mrs. Monroe and I'm Mrs. Waldhauser's student teacher.
Hello, I'm Miss Boyd.
Hi, I'm Mrs. McAllister.
Hi, I'm Mrs. Backus. And hi, I'm Mrs. Hoke.
Have a great year.
We're the second grade team. I'm Mrs. Thompson.
I'm Miss Carl.
I'm Miss Meyer.
I'm Mrs. Karstens.
I'm Miss Marks. And I'm Miss Sharp.
Hi Edinburgh, this is the third grade team. I'm Mrs. Humphrey.
Hi, I'm Miss Torres. I'm Miss Lee. Miss Zollers.
Mr. McKinney.
Have a great year.
Hi there, this is the fourth grade team. I'm Mr. Folkerts.
Mrs. Atkins, Mrs. Brown,
And Ms. Wallen.
We're the fifth grade team. I'm Mrs. McCarthy.
And I'm Mrs. Boots.
I'm Mrs. Heidi. I'm Miss Davison.
And I'm Miss Rochelle.
Hi Scotties, we are your Edinburgh physical education teachers. I'm Mrs. Kazarick and I am teaching kindergarten, first and second grade FIAD this year.
I am Mrs. Colburn and I'm teaching kindergarten, 4th and 5th grade FIAD, plus I'm doing the recess program.
And I'm Mr. Pritchell and I'll be teaching 3rd grade FIAD. Let's have a great year.
Hi, I'm Miss Martineau. I have second grade, third grade, and fifth grade this year.
And I'm Miss Beard and I teach kindergarten music and first grade and fourth grade this year.
Hi everybody, I'm Mrs. Kimmis and I work here in the library.
Hi, I'm Audrey Rahaviak. You can call me Mrs. R, and I work on the iPads and the computers.
Hi everyone, we're the Student Services team. My name is Jenna Gates.
My name is Mr. Myers.
My name is Stephanie Larson.
My name is Mrs. Johnson.
My name is Mrs. Shave.
Hi Edinburgh, we're the special ed helpers. I'm Mrs. Madsen. I'm Miss Karen.
I'm Mrs. Ryan.
I'm Miss M.
I'm Miss Kelly.
I'm Miss Washington.
I'm Mrs. R.
I'm Miss Jackie.
And I'm Mrs. Rainey. I'm your new volunteer coordinator, and welcome back.
Hello Edinburgh, we're the student service team for rooms 51 and 47. I'm Mrs. Higby.
I'm Mr. Agard.
I'm Mr. K.
I'm Miss Teresa.
I'm Miss O.
I'm Miss Lottie.
I'm Miss Grace.
Hi students, we are your kitchen staff and we have new menus and recipes for you this year. And I am Miss Selena.
And I'm Cheryl, your favorite lunch lady.
And I'm Carla.
And I'm Liz.
And I'm Bonnie. We love serving you all every day.
Hi, I'm Miss Lisa. I'm your cashier in the lunchroom. Don't forget to work on your PIN numbers.
Hey kids, my name is Mr. Yang. I'm the mall interpreter here. Last year I worked with 4th graders and would love to meet all you guys this year again.
Welcome Edinburgh, we are the instructional ESPs. I'm Miss Hicks, Intervention.
I'm Miss Lily, second grade.
I'm Miss Holman, third grade.
I'm Mrs. Wasco, 4th grade.
I'm Miss Kay, kindergarten.
I'm Miss Amber, first grade.
Hi, I'm Mrs. Thyron, an academic specialist, and I look forward to working with you.
Bonjour, we are the English Learner Department. I'm Mrs. Wright.
Annyeonghaseyo, I'm Miss Lee. Akwaba, I am Ms. Osei Tutu.
Hola, I'm Miss G, Miss Griffith.
Ciao, I'm Miss O. Najong, I'm Miss Karen. We look forward to working with you soon.
Hi, we are the ELESPs. I'm Mrs. Haller. Miss Peterson.
Mrs. Copel.
Mrs. Boardley, welcome back.
Hello, I'm Miss Becker, and I'm a Kids Stop site lead. It's so nice to see all of you.
Hi, I'm Mrs. Raker.
And I'm Miss Anjuman. We work here at the front desk.
Hi, I'm Mr. Suhan. I'm the building substitute teacher. Looking forward to seeing you in the classrooms and the hallways.
Hi, I'm Katie Crowley. You can call me Miss Katie. I'm the resource manager here. Welcome back.
Hello, I'm Ms. Haug. I'm the secretary in the office.
Hi, I'm Mr. Jason. I'm the building head here.
Hi, I'm Kyle, and I'm the second shift custodian.
Hi, I'm Miss Alicia, and I am the custodian.
Hi, Alan. I'm the night guy here.
Hi, I'm Mrs. Daney, Due Process ESP.
Hi everyone, I'm Nurse Amy. I'm located down in the office. If you aren't feeling well, come on down and see me. Mr. Kruger, I'm going to check your temp one more time. You're good. You need to go back and do your job.
I guess it's back to work for me, Mr. Kruger, building principal. Glad you're here.
Hey Scotties, we have one more part of our PBIS video, and that's how to act positively during our assemblies. Hope you enjoy.
1, 2, Scotties, go! Oh, thanks boys and girls for bringing your attention to me. It's the beginning of another school year, and you remember at the beginning of every school year, we take time to talk about what it means and what it sounds like to show positive behavior here at Edinburgh. And if you remember the pause, right, those letters stand for something. Let's just start with the first one, P, right? Practicing safety. Who can remember what the P, practicing safety and positive, means? Zara.
Practicing safety and keeping your hands to yourself.
Excellent. Who remembers the A? If you remember now, the A is acting responsibly. Abdul. Excellent. Thanks, Abdul. How about the W, working towards success? Gigi.
Practice safety and learn from yourself.
Excellent. And finally, the S, showing respect. Shavin.
Be a good listener to the speaker.
Outstanding. Boys and girls, thank you for sharing with everybody what it means to show positive behavior. And I'm looking forward to seeing you at the next assembly.